Hey, lovely people, welcome back to Quincy's TV. If this is your first time here, you're warmly welcome. And to all my old subscribers, thank you so much for always stopping by. I love you all. Well, guys, I've been super busy and I apologize for leaving you guys like that, but your girl is back. Please bear with me. Here we go, we have a video. I'm so sorry, I've really been out of YouTube for a while now. I think a month, yeah. I think that's not too long, right? Please forgive me. And I hope you're happy to see me because I've missed you guys. Hope you missed me too. I even missed myself. So, guys, today I'm going to show you guys one of my very delicious detox soups here. Detox soup has really been a secret to my weight loss journey, and I have a variety of them that I make. Today, I'm going to show you one of the easiest detox soups I normally do at home. Detox soups are pretty much easy to make. It's not complicated and it's very easy and very fast and nutritious as well. So guys, let's just go straight into the video so I show you guys what I do. So guys, the first thing is just to get your ingredients set. Here with me I have celery and leeks, so just chop them and then get your carrots and chop them as well. So after chopping your carrots, now get your cabbage. Cabbage is very good for the body, very good for your stomach, very good for weight loss, especially celery as well. These two things, cabbage and celery, they are powerful ingredients for weight loss. And also we have garlics and ginger. Chop them into very tiny pieces. The garlics and ginger also perfect for weight loss and it's also a good spice for this detox soup. And of course we need some portions, guys. You get your chicken. Please keep watching to see how I actually do this chicken part after boiling. And then give me the brouillon. This actually vegetable seasoning. You can get chicken seasoning as well. You can get any seasoning and also turmeric. Turmeric is very good for weight loss, for the tummy, and for glowing skin. And I also have my thyme, my dry thyme. You can use fresh thyme as well as you can also use parsley. Actually, I needed parsley for this. I wanted to use some parsley, but I didn't see parsley that time at the supermarket. Of course, you need some onions for that flavor and also to get some iodine in your detox soup, guys. So this is basically all what you need. Very easy ingredients, very straightforward. And then the first thing to do, just get your pot, put it on your electric cooker or on your gas cooker or your traditional kitchen or whatever source of heat you are using. Get your pot set, put your chicken in the pot, get your cabbage and then just pour over it. And because you know we have to cook the chicken first, don't pour all the vegetables together. Pour the chicken and the cabbage first and then pour your onions, all the onions, and then I'll pour in some garlics and ginger. So I just pour in some garlics and ginger to give the chicken some flavor. I didn't put all, so I just put some. So guys, that's it. Then you bring it to boil and I just put all the ginger and some garlics. The rest of the garlics I'm going to use it for later. Then I put the thyme. Now put in your chicken seasoning or your vegetable seasoning and then put in your turmeric, your salt, your Maggi cubes, everything before pouring in your water. So guys, thank you so much for tuning in today. So we have come to the end of this video. As simple as it is, it's also very delicious and nutritious. You should try this at home. Bye and see you in my next video.